Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Catherine with The Perfect Place to Start, and today I have 3 easy farmhouse DIYs for you, so let's jump in. So for this DIY, we're going to take some wooden letters that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. They do come in a pack of 2. And then I also picked up this windmill cutout that they have in the wood section, and I'm replacing the O in-house with this windmill, and I'm using my antique Waverly Wax, and I'm just staining all the letters, and then I kind of dry brush the antique wax over the windmill to give it more of a distressed look. I also picked up this sign at Hobby Lobby, so it was the exact size I was looking for. It already had the border and everything. It was half off, so I paid about $7 for it. I thought that that was a really great deal, considering if I tried to make this from Dollar Tree signs, I probably would have came close to spending about that same amount. So I just do a very light coat of dry brush with the antique wax over that whole white part, and now I'm ready to put my letters onto the sign. So I'm just using my ruler to make sure that I'm going to glue them on in a straight line. I did measure on the sides to make sure that they were the same length from each side, and then I'm just going to take some hot glue, glue down the letters, and then this project is complete.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down.
Today's video is part of the Heidi Sonboul DIY challenge, and the theme this month was Farmhouse. So go down to the description box when you're done with this video, click on the playlist, and check out all the creators who created videos for today's playlist. I will also have a link to Heidi's channel down in my description box. Go check her out. She does wonderful DIYs. She hosts the Creative Champion, which is an awesome series that she has going where other creators compete to be the champion, so you won't want to miss that. So definitely click on her link in my description box. For this DIY, I'm going to take some thrifted items that I picked up at a garage sale, and I'm going to start with this candlestick. I'm using some white Waverly chalk paint, and I'm only going to give it one coat over the entire candlestick. That way I get a nice distressed look without having to use any other materials. Since the candlestick was already brown, it gives it like the antique wax look without using the antique wax. Then I'm going to do the same technique over the tray. The tray does end up taking about 2 coats of paint because it just looked like it didn't have enough coverage with the one coat. When I flipped the tray over, someone had used some felt padding to keep it from scratching probably a tabletop or something. I tried really hard to remove those and I just couldn't get them to come off, and I didn't want to damage the tray. So instead I decided to just go ahead and paint over them. You can't tell by the time I get it all glued on that it was even there. So I did take out my pieces and spray them with a matte coat of protective coating. That way that the paint is not going to rub off. It did give the candlestick this weird yellow look on the top, but I don't care. It's going to get covered up, but just be careful when you're using your matte spray, if you're covering something that's painted, that it doesn't give it this weird color. I then go ahead and decide to use E6000 glue to give this a more permanent hold, and then I use my hot glue for the temporary hold. So I go around the top, and then I'm just going to put the tray on top of the candlestick, press down firmly, and then I'm ready to decorate the inside. So now I'm going to place some eucalyptus that I picked up at a garage sale for 50 cents. It was an actual full bundle. I was pretty excited, and I love the way that eucalyptus smells. So once I get it all placed in there, I'm going to take some lemons that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to randomly place those around the eucalyptus. And once I have that all done, then this project is complete. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Catherine with The Perfect Place to Start. I love to do seasonal decor, Dollar Tree DIYs, home decor, and thrift to treasure. So if that is something you're into, I would love it if you went down, hit the subscribe button, and became a part of my YouTube family. For this project, I'm going to take this mini spice rack that I also picked up at a garage sale and some nautical folk art chalk paint, and I'm going to paint the entire spice rack with this blue paint. Once I'm finished with the blue paint, I'm going to take some white Waverly chalk paint and my chippy brush, and I'm going to cover the entire spice rack with the white paint as well. Once those steps are completed, I'm ready to fill my spice rack, so I'm taking these little mini terracotta pots that I got at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to fill them with some sprigs of lavender that I picked up at Walmart, and then this project is complete.
I've been is what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars.
Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the projects as much as I did. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite and if you plan on recreating any of these. Don't forget to go check out the playlist down in my description box for the DIY challenge that is happening today. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now.